If you're a woman with thyroid imbalance and 6 plus kgs to lose, stay on. Today, I'm going to talk about the Thyro Revive method. Now, look at me. 9 years back, I was exactly where you are. 18 kgs overweight, not knowing where to start, TSH at an all-time high, 100 mcg chironarm, and not knowing where to start. But I had that mindset that I want to heal. I want to become the most energetic version of myself. I started with simple things. I started with healing my mindset, believing that I can heal, working on a yoga practice, asana, pranayam, dhyan, everything. Then started with strength training to build muscle. Now that really helped me drop the fat and build muscle. Worked on my nutrition, adding more nutrition dense whole foods, protein rich foods, and ensuring that I do not stuff the body with processed junk. I also worked on my sleep, although as a new mom, that was very challenging and difficult, but I tried the best I could. And all these 5 pillars are actually the foundations of the Thyro Revive method. Now, I'll be talking about these 5 pillars in detail with you. So let me take you through the 5 pillars of the Thyro Revive method. The number 1 pillar is your mindset. Now, as women with hypothyroidism, we have heard hundreds of times we are never going to lose weight. We are never going to get off the medication. This foundation is exactly going to break that mindset. And how we do that? Just like we train the body, we train the mind with the power of affirmations, positive thoughts to the subconscious mind, and with the power of gratitude. Now, if you look at the yoga practice, we talk of this as the Vishuddhi or the throat chakra. 2 emotions reside here: grief and gratitude. The moment we try to focus on gratitude in our lives, we start to see that this gland starts to heal, the thyroid hormone starts to get produced in the body. So we're going to use the power of mindset. Number 2, a yoga abhyas, asana practice, pranayam practice, healing meditations for thyroid. All these are going to help us in bringing the body in balance, bringing the thyroid gland in balance. And that's how we work in our classes. Now, you can take up a live online class program in which our coaches will help you, take you through all the postures, or you can opt for a recorded practice wherein we give you a set of recordings which are going to help you with the healing. Number 3, strength training. Strength training is going to help us build muscle mass. Now, what we do in the classes is a combination of yoga and strength training together. So all our live classes are a combination, all our recorded programs are combination programs. When we do these 2 things together, we see the best results in terms of fat loss and hormonal healing. This is the key to fat loss because more muscle means you'll be able to burn more calories even while standing or sitting. Number 4, nutrition. The first thing I go ahead and check with anybody who comes on the program is check whether they have an autoimmune hypothyroidism condition or they have a simple deficiency-based hypothyroidism. We do a test called the anti-TG and the anti-TPO. It's also pinned in one of the posts on the Instagram profile. So please check that out if you need help with the name of the test. So we are going to see what exactly is your condition. Do you have Hashimoto's thyroid or normal hypothyroidism? Based on that, we design your nutrition plan and you don't have to cook separately. You don't have to do detox juices every day. It's simple, wholesome meals to help you heal your body and your thyroid. I never call it dieting because that's a very restrictive word for me. It's nourishing our body with the right foods. Number 5, deep sleep. Now, if you are not well slept, the cortisol level in the body will increase. The stress hormone will increase. Stress is always bad for our thyroid hormones and overall hormones in the body. Deep sleep is going to ensure we get there. We'll help you with breathing techniques to make your sleep better. For people who are really busy, women who are, overwhelmed with work, we're going to give you 10-minute relaxation practices to help you relax the body with yoga, yoga nidra practices, and that is going to change the way you feel and your energy level. After we finish the pillars, we're going to move to the phases of the program. We talked about 5 pillars. How do we actually implement these pillars as a part of the program? We do them in 3 phases. Phase number 1, building health psychology. Now, what we exactly do in the first 2 weeks is work on your mindset, work on building healthy habits for you. We roll out your nutrition plan for you, and we make that effort to help you get on the mat and start to become the best version of yourself. Phase number 2, fat loss acceleration and hormonal healing. Now, we just don't focus on fat loss so that your hormones go all over the place. Our goal in this phase is helping you progressively increase your strength, work on making your workouts better, and also understand that what are the nutrition needs. Now, I never call it dieting because it's always about nourishing the body. So we are definitely creating a caloric deficit to help us lose fat, but we are always working on healing the hormones as well, on nourishing the body with the power of food. Now, we are going to add foods which are actually going to help you heal the body, heal your thyroid hormones, heal your hormones overall, and help you with working on becoming the most energetic as well as the leanest version of yourself. So we'll build more muscle mass. We use progressive yoga workouts. We use strength training workouts. And we are going to have you work on adjusting your nutrition to meet your needs as well as maintaining the calorie deficit. Phase number 3, once you reach your goal weight in phase 2, suppose you started with a goal weight of 18 kgs, you are there. We start with phase 3, which is sustainability and empowerment. Very, very important phase because you would have lost your weight tens of times, but you come back to that same weight. What are the exact things that you need to do to be able to sustain at this weight? What you should be eating, how you should be managing travel, how you should be doing your social gatherings, how you should be taking care of your thyroid healing. Even if you don't have 1 hour in a day or number of hours to work out in the gym, what are the basic 10 to 15 minute exercises, yoga training, yoga practice, a strength training that you can do on your mat to be able to keep your thyroid hormones and overall hormones in order. Now, it's not just about giving you a one-time quick fix for your problems. It is about giving you a sustainable plan that can help you and make you feel empowered. Make you feel that I have within me the Shakti, the power to heal my life, to heal my body. And once you are there, that is when you can be on your own. You do not need our hand holding. And that is where we want to see you, to be educated enough to know what your body needs, what your thyroid needs, what your hormones need. So now coming to what you get as a part of the program. Number 1, you're going to get a program that is going to help you with hormonal healing, fat loss, all at the same time. So if you want to really bring your TSH in line, you want to fix your T3, T4 and drop fat at the same time, this is the right program for you. What you'll get, a personalized nutrition plan designed based on what you like eating, not what I like eating on my plate. So we're going to add your favorite foods, ensure 85% of your nutrition revolves around what you and your family eat. No crash diets, no separate cookings, no detox juices phase. Number 2, very, very important. You are going to have a coach assigned to you, and I'll always be there as a part of your WhatsApp group. And we'll help you daily check in with you that how is your day going? Is your nutrition on point? Is your sleep on point? Are you drinking enough water? Everything will be taken care of. Number 3, very, very important. Weekly, we're going to track the progress. How much fat have you dropped? Is it 1 kg? Is it 800 grams? It is 1.5 kg. We're going to track your inches. Sometimes we don't see the change on the scale, but we drop 2 breast sizes. So we're going to make a note of that. What we track, we improve. If we are not tracking, we won't be able to improve it. Next, you get to be a part of our online classes, which are yoga and strength training combination. Now, don't think of these classes as YouTube videos. These are classes in which our coaches are trained to give you the best feedback with respect to your alignment. 95% people on our programs are women who are struggling with hypothyroidism. So all the classes have that element of adding thyroid healing asana practice, pranayama, strength training workouts to help you drop fat. So think of it as a group class, but with personalized attention for you. And think of your coach as your personal trainer, not just as a group instructor. Last one and the most important one, you are going to be part of an online community of women who is going to work on healing their body and your life. Now, as a part of our online community, we do small challenges which are doable. We keep motivating each other, keep cheering on each other. We also do a lot of sessions which are going to help us with thyroid healing meditations, affirmations, nutrition sessions. All these are held at least once a month minimum. Sometimes we even do 2 sessions in a month. So all this is always going to be a part of you, and it's going to help you with staying on track with your steps, water intake, food, everything. You're not just accountable to your coach, but also to this community. because this is where we'll be sharing all our wins. So that is how, if you are ready to take charge of your life, if you're ready to heal your hormones, work on thyroid healing, this is the right program for you. And it is not just me who has healed. We have 246 other women on the program from the past 11 months who have reclaimed their life and energy. Take that first step towards your healing.